Hello my friends, and welcome back to another episode of MTD North America. Today I have the great pleasure to thaw out in Arizona at Methods Machine Tools. I've been traveling around the country and there's been a lot of snow, but I get to spend time now with superstar Cody of Methods Machine Tools, traveling the country, and we are working on the thinking man here in Arizona on this beautiful YASDA machine. So Cody, thank you so much for being a part of MTD.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So you are the expert, and we have a large audience that wants to learn more about the YASDA machine, the precision, what you're creating, the tooling you use. How do you get from raw block of bronze or aluminum to this finished product of what you have behind you, behind me, this great, cool thinking man you have here. So let's learn a little bit about the YASDA, the precision of the YASDA, the programming behind it.
So we chose the YASDA because of its precision and tolerance. It makes our lives easy when it comes to the 5-axis with the G68.2 that comes with it. So we don't have to think about how we're fixturing, is it on center, is it not on center? And then when it comes to the precision, when we're dialing our tools in, it just makes it that much easier. I can adjust it by a tenth or a millionth, and it actually moves that tenth or millionth. It's not kind of fluctuating between that. It's got sensors on the Y and on the head, so when it runs for 80 hours doing this thinking man, that thermal comp happens, and it's truly comping it, which is the nice part. I don't run it for 3 hours, come back and be like, oh, I got to adjust my tool a couple tenths down now because of that thermal growth. It takes care of all that. So it just makes my life and anybody else's life super easy, which is handy.
Well, I'm glad that you bring that up because in the world we live in, temperatures change. I mean, obviously we're in Arizona. Another branch of Methods is in Michigan and Chicago and Northern California and Boston. So we always are playing with that thermal compensation, right? So you're
Absolutely.
telling me this YASDA machine does it while machining?
Yes, yeah. I ran another YASDA, another company before they had AC in a building, and it was 120 degrees outside and it was 130 inside that building. The machine was 70 degrees inside of it. I was plastered against the window just to keep myself cool. And my parts inside the machine came out gorgeous. Now, of course, I pulled them outside them on a table and I had thermal growth just from the metal. But inside the machine took care of everything. Now, give or take, that temperature I don't recommend by any means. I wasn't holding super tight tolerances, but it still made my life easier to where I knew if I checked it in the machine, golden. Took it out, well, that's a different story, right? So they just make a machinist's life, a programmer's life, everybody's life a lot easier.